You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that is borrowed originally from German, yes, but anyhow, there are two slightly different pronunciations in English, so let's go through the most common one. Go for this one if you're unsure, and remember this one, Apophenia, alright? That's easy. Apophi, the stress is on the phi syllable. Apophenia, the tendency to perceive a connection or meaningful pattern between unrelated or random things. Apophenia. Now, it can also be pronounced, especially in American English in the US, as apophenia, alright? That's also a correct pronunciation. But apophenia is great. Apophenia is also correct. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.